you will learn a reporting module. So let's begin. In this today's reporting module tutorial, you will see its feature and configuration. Reports in ERPNext, there are basic three kinds of reports. One is a report builder, second one is a query builder, third one is a script builder. Query builder and script reports and query reports are usually developed by the ERPNext certified developers. For query reports, you require knowledge of structured query language, that is SQL queries, and it has been written while executing the HTML or a programming code to generate the reports. In script report, ERPNext Developer will written in a Python or a JavaScript. So this can be used again during the programming to executing the reports. In this tutorial, we will see how we can generate the reports, how we can get overview of report list. We will see to change the layout of reports, and we will see how we can do the export and get the customization of report by adding a column and removing the column. Also, we will see how we can download the data from the report to our Excel spreadsheet or a CSV application type. Then, as I said, we will see how we can customizing a report by adding the column and field to particular report. So let's go to our ERPNext application. Already I have opened my web browser and I have entered my URL, and I will be landed on a login page where I have entered my username and password. And now by clicking on login button, I am going to log into my ERPNext application. Once I logged in, I'll be landed on a home doc type or home page. On home page, on my right hand side, you will see the workspace of home page, and your left hand side you will get the module navigation bar where you can get the all module list which are available in ERPNext application. Here home module is there, then help desk and accounting, buying, selling, then stock, human resource, manufacturing, quality, CRM, projects, support, users, website, then loans, payroll, build, tools, ERPNext setting, integration, and ERPNext integration. All these modules are available, and you can get the access of all these modules depends on your business requirements. So today's topic of this video tutorial is a reporting module. So for that, you need to go to the awesome bar, and here you will need to enter a command like report list. Once you enter the command, you will get all commands related to the reports. So first command is a report list. So you need to click on that command, and then you will be landed on a report list where you can see the all standard reports which are available along with the customized report in this list view layout. This is the basically a list view layout which you can change if you want. For that, if you want to change a list view to report view, then you need to go to the list view drop down button, and here you will get the prima facie report list options. First, there are total 4 layout type available in a report list. First is a list view, second one is a report view, third one is a dashboard view, and fourth one is a Kanban view. Now you can, by default, in all entire ERPNext application, whatever the doc type or whatever the report type you can open, it will give you a list view layout by default. So if you want to change into a report view layout, then you need to click on a report option, and then it will be changed down to a report view. This report view layout can be get exported into Excel spreadsheet or a CSV application type. For this, you need to go to the menu option, click on menu option, and then go downward side from the drop down list. Here you will see that the export option available. Click on this export option and you will see that export report dialog box will get open. Here you need to select your desired file type option, whether it is a Excel or whether it is a CSV. Then you can select. Also there is one checkbox, export all available 225 rows. Then you will select that and click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, your report will get downloaded into the Excel sheet. You may open this Excel sheet and make the appropriate changes in that, and you can present that data to your management personnel. So this way you can get downloaded all the reports to your Excel spreadsheet. Also, if you want to make a customization or if you want to add some columns, there are two types to add the columns in this current report view. First of all, you need to go to the header portion of any column and you will get, there is a drop down icon button available. You can click on that button and you will find out some of the options. First is sort ascending, second sort descending, third reset sorting, fourth remove column, and fifth add column. If you want to add a column, then you need to click on add column button and you will see that all available columns list will get listed out from the drop down option in select column text box. Here you can select any column you want to add it, and suppose I want to know on what date this report is created, then I have selected a column created on, and then below that you will get a decision making option, insert column before the role or any choice you make. So here we have selected, by default we have selected the role column, and before this we are going to add a column of created on. So I have selected by created on, and now here you will see that this column will get inserted before a role column. That means between, if I select this, check this insert column before role option, then and if I submit this, then this column is inserted before the role option. So this way you will get added a column, required column to your report. And if you want to remove that, go to the header portion once again, click on a icon button and select option remove column. Then the column will get removed automatically, so you need not to do anything. So this is the very simple and very easiest way to add the report column. Suppose again go to the list view. Here once again I am going to list view layout, and now suppose if you want to do a customization of any report, then you need to open this report, and again you need to go to the menu option, and from menu option you will see that there is a customize option available. You can click on customize button, and you will see that there are some options: is table, is calendar or Gantt can enable for this report. You can add a calendar or Gantt chart. But remember one thing, that if this report is a core report of ERPNext application, then you cannot do any customization. Core report are the standard reports of ERPNext application, which is not available for the customization. So go back. And if you want to add any additional report or any custom report to your ERPNext application, then you need to click on Add Report button, and you need to provide a report name. For example, I am adding some personal information report, personal info report. This report I want to create. Here I am getting the personal information from the employee doc type. So here I am giving the reference of employee doc type, and reference report would be a personal info, or if reference report would be an employee report. So this way you can set the settings, and I want to this report would be a standard report. If I selected it is a standard report, then you need to select a report type, what kind of report type you want to do, whether it is a report builder, query builder, script report, or custom report. So I am selecting a option custom report, and then, or if you select a report builder, then you will see that column option will get activated for the report builder, where you can add the field names from the employee reference doc type, and also in the filters you can add the filters for your reports. So this way you can make a customized report for your ERPNext application. For example, here I am adding a column and field which I wanted. So first of all, I am going to add a field name, first underscore name. This is the, remember, this is the field name. And now I am going to add a label, first name. Here I am going to set a data type is a data or field type, and again I am adding a field name, last underscore name, and label would be a last name. Again I am checking a field type, then I am adding DOB, that is date of birth. Here I am entering the data type as a date or field type as a date. Then here I am adding field email. Label would be email, and again this would be a data type. So this way you can add fields or columns to your report. And if you want to add some filter option, then you can give the filter option, label first name, data field name, first underscore name. If you want to do a mandatory, then you can make a mandatory here by checking option mandatory button. I don't want to, suppose I want to make it mandatory. Now click on next, which is a label last name, again data, field name, last name. This is not mandatory. Third one is a date of birth. It's a date, and field name the DOB. The last one is a email. It's a data, and field name would be email. So this way I have made one custom report, and only administrator can save a standard report. Please rename and save. So here I am again doing a renaming and saving. Here I am making some changes. I don't want to be a standard because I am not a system administrator. That's why the message is giving. So here I am making it's a non-standard, and now I am saving this. Now my report is get saved and it is now enabled. So if I go to the report list view, here I can see my report, and I will open it and I will check how my report can be shared. Now see, my report is ready with a personal info which is linked with employee master, and from employee master I have get these details from the report. So this way you can add a custom report to your report list view. Go back to the report list. This is the way you can add, customize and remove all the reports in your ERPNext application. So thank you